On this episode of DeWalt Flexvolt Tool Repairs, we're going to show you how simple it is to replace the shoe assembly or base plate on a DCS577 cordless circular saw. First, we'll talk a little about the saw and then we'll open it up and replace the shoe. Released in 2016 alongside DeWalt's new Flexvolt battery system, power and durability are at the top of a long list of features on the DCS577 60-volt cordless circular saw. Built to last a lifetime, this is contractor-grade equipment. DeWalt uses a magnesium shoe and blade guards for a lighter, stronger design. Magnesium is 33% lighter than aluminum, 60% lighter than titanium, and 75% lighter than steel. Yet for many applications, it's stronger than all three of those, and can be cast into various parts for anything you want to make lighter and stronger. Durable doesn't mean indestructible, however, and if you're watching this video, it's likely you found the limit of what your Flexvolt saw can take. These most often get bent from dropping the tool, but can also just wear over time. Luckily, the magnesium shoe is simple to remove and replace by anyone at home using OEM DeWalt parts from mmToolParts.com, a leader in tool repairs for over 80 years. If you think you're up to the challenge, grab your toolbox and follow me. Before we begin, remove the battery. When working with power tools, safety first. Here you'll see where the shoe is attached with two screws, one at the front and one at the back. Remove the back screw first, and then pull the shoe assembly free from the saw. Grab your replacement shoe from mmToolParts.com, then line it up with the bevel adjustment facing the front of the saw. And install the front screw first. And that's it, you just saved your saw's life. Now, don't drop it again. If there's anything you'd like to add to what we covered, or if you have any questions, chances are you're not the only one, so leave a comment for us below. And don't forget to like us, share us, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we have hundreds of how-to videos just like this one. Good luck with your repairs. See you next time.